Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft. And have you ever wondered how to protect yourself online from getting tracked from government and other agencies and to access those sites which are not available in your country? If no, then please watch this particular video till the end, because in this particular video we are going to talk about something called as VPN. VPN is nothing but virtual private network, and we are going to talk everything about it. So let's get started. So VPN is nothing but a virtual private network. So what happens is it establishes a private link between your computer and the remote server, and there is something called as VPN servers in between, which is sitting right in the middle of your traffic. So what happens when you browse any site from say other countries like US and all, and when you connect to the VPN, it requests first go to the VPN server, and then the IP of the VPN is going to the actual website, and then that actual website is going to route back to you. So the real IP, which is your IP, is not being broadcasted anywhere, and you become safe and you stay protected, because the only thing, if somebody tries to check out what is your IP, then it is going to show the IP of the VPN. Also guys, if you like this kind of video, please hit that like button and click that subscribe button, and also don't forget to press that bell notification icon so that you get any notification whenever we upload any new video. Also guys, you all must have noticed that the network service provider, your ISP etc., can keep a track of what kind of websites you are visiting and which traffic is coming to your website and all. And also government bodies and all can monitor and regulate the certain types of traffic which is available to you. Like for example, you cannot just browse those sites which are having torrents etc., and those are being blocked by the Indian government, and those kind of the sites are easily available through if you are using something called as VPN, and if you just select a different types of country. How you can access VPN guys? All you need to do is download a special program called as VPN, and with that you can change your default country to something like Netherlands, and if you use that particular country, then all the IPs will be going through that country server, and then you will be able to access those content. This is actually helpful in preventing something like a data or theft law. Now what are the benefits of VPN guys? VPN can be actually used to refrain yourself from getting monitored, or if somebody is monitoring you or a hacker is keeping an eye on you, so you can use a VPN just to block out your IP address or your location, and you can stay safe. With the help of VPN guys, you can browse country specific content which is not available in the country in which you are residing. Suppose you want to watch a Netflix show which is only available in something like US, then you can use a VPN and then select the country called as US. All the shows which are there available in that particular country will be shown to you, and you will be able to access this, because directly you are going to that VPN server of US and changing your IP to the US IP. In this particular way, you will be able to browse those kind of shows which are not available in your country. Now guys, there are two types of services. One is the paid VPN, second is the unpaid VPN. Initially, if you are just getting started, I would highly recommend go with unpaid VPN or the free VPN, in which you will be able to at least test yourself what is VPN, how it works and all. Just in case, like if you feel that you require something more of that kind of service, you can go with a paid VPN. But mind you guys, sometimes those free VPN which are available might be actually keeping track of the files or the URLs which you are visiting. Please be careful regarding this. I hope you enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel, because there is always something new to learn on Creative Soft. Also do check out these cool videos which we have. Let us know in the comments below what you think, what are your opinions about this particular topic. And again, thanks a lot guys for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.